Welcome to our Winter Wonderland. This is your weekly update for Friday, November 22nd, 2019. As you can see behind me, the cut trees have arrived. We have Fraser fir, some white pine, and some Canadian fir will be here next week. We have trees from 5 foot all the way up to 12 foot. And like I had mentioned last week, all of our greens are here. We started making porch pots. These are swags, which could be used for the cemetery or for front fences, doors. I have bulk greens where you can make your own centerpieces and mantelpieces. Plus that really pretty fresh winterberry. Also have decorated Alberta spruce trees, red twig dogwood, birch poles, and spruce tops. We also have fresh live wreaths with a pretty handmade bow. And we have some on easels already for the cemetery. And as I had mentioned before, unfortunately, this is all the white pine roping we will have for the season. It's already starting to sell, so if you need some, I would stop in as quick as you can. So now that we're getting into December, there are some things on the gardening to-do list upcoming. For instance, covering your roses. Hybrid Tea Grandiflora Floribunda roses should be covered with about 12 inches of mulch. We suggest hardwood mulch. Another plant that would benefit from a heavy layer of mulch, just like with the rose, would be your newly planted hydrangea macrophyllus. This would be something in your Endless Summer series. Especially if they're newly planted, this would definitely help protect them for the winter. And many of you have called and emailed, and the answer is yes, you can definitely still plant your spring flowering bulbs. And unfortunately, the answer is no, we do not have any left in stock. We planted about 10,000 around here for next upcoming spring, so come out and check those out. Also, if you haven't yet, you can dig and store your canna and dahlia bulbs for next year. And it's also time to spray deer repellent on those deer-susceptible plants for the upcoming winter. And I do have some exciting news. We are giving away one of our beautiful handmade porch pots. We put these porch pots together here at the nursery ourselves with live greens like spruce, pine, cedar, waterproof bow, pine cones. They're really beautiful. And to win, starting Saturday, we will have a contest for you to win your own on our Facebook page. So head over to our Facebook page, just search for Dayton Nursery in the search bar, and the post will be there, and just comment below with the instructions given to enter the contest. We also make custom pieces. A customer that usually gets her porch pots filled at Donzel's had stopped here, and we went ahead and filled those up for her. So if you have a front porch pot that needs filled with some winter greenery, stop on in and we'll get that done for you. So that's all for this week's video. Thank you again for tuning in. We hope to see you this weekend so you can start decking your halls with all these fresh live greens.